In the heart of Singapore, a renowned global manufacturing powerhouse embarked on a journey to strengthen bonds and foster collaboration. Globibo, a leading event management company, had the privilege of organizing a remarkable team-building session for a renowned global manufacturing company. With over 110,000 staff members, the company sought to enhance collaboration and foster stronger relationships among its employees. The event was meticulously designed to provide engaging activities, interactive workshops, and team-building exercises that encouraged communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. Through Globibo's expert guidance, the company's staff experienced a memorable day filled with camaraderie, shared experiences, and a renewed sense of unity. The team-building session served as a catalyst for building a stronger and more cohesive workforce, empowering the company to achieve even greater success in the future. Globibo was responsible for the provision of handheld microphones with digital mixers, which were seamlessly integrated with the venue's audio system. Additionally, equipment transport, electricity offset, and the presence of a dedicated standby technician were part of the service package. The event took place on-site at a beautiful park venue in Singapore. Globibo's experienced team meticulously planned and executed the setup, ensuring all technical aspects and logistics were in place. The client team was absolutely pleasant to work with. They were all in a good mood due to the nature of the event. They used their laptops to share YouTube videos and songs, and the Globibo team helped as much as they could to make it a fun experience for all. The client expressed their sincere appreciation for the Globibo team's assistance with the audio system, which enabled a fun-filled karaoke night for their colleagues. They commended the team's hard work and dedication and expressed hopes that our team enjoyed working with them as well. When it comes to event success, it's all about cooperation, clear communication, and meticulous planning. With Globibo, your event is in good hands.